Hello everyone, this is Alex. I'm with AME Aerials, and you know me for flying my drones and making videos, but today is a little bit different. I'm going to attempt to do a little unboxing for you. Today we're diving into this product that I really like. It's called the Rokid AR Spatial Glasses. I'm excited about this product, so welcome back to the channel. And these things can project about a 300-inch virtual display right in front of your eyes. Now this is the Station 2. To fully unlock the potential of the Rokid AR spatial glasses, you need the Station 2. This isn't just an accessory, it's the brain of the spatial computing experience. The resolution is full HD, that's 1080 by 1920, and that's per eye, not combined. The contrast ratio is 100,000 to 1. The refresh rate on the screen is 120 Hertz. There are 6 levels of brightness control. As far as nits, it's very bright. It's 600. That's basically what you need. The myopia adjustment is 0 to -6. Okay, so inside the box where the glasses are, we have the hard case, but we also have the manual. If you feel this was informative, feel free to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell in case I ever do a future unboxing of another product. We also have in this section here the nose clips as well as the cable that go onto the glasses. Inside the hard case is the glasses themselves. And immediately you can see the dioptic dials. You can see that they're labeled from 0 to -6. There's the nose clips, which are replaceable. And on one end of the leg, that's where the USB-C goes. And that's what gives it its power. Then you got some controls. You have volume control, which is the longer button, and the short one is to convert video to 3D. Onto the Station 2. The first unit was good, don't get me wrong, but this unit is DRM approved, so I can load Netflix, Hulu, and all the other apps to play movies. You can see the menu button and the home button, and then the volume button on the other side. On top is the power button, and you can see the battery indicators. On the bottom, on the right, is the power port, and on the left, that's where the other end of the USB cord would go to connect to the glasses. And there's some paperwork in addition to a power cable. A little bonus is a case for the Station 2. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Now it's time to check out some content.